welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing this magenta cut crease look with this bold liner. So yeah, starting off I'm going to be taking this color from Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and going to take a large blending brush and going to create transition shade on my crease. I'm taking this color Venetian Red and going to apply this color on the outer corner, then going to drag it on my crease. So yeah, slowly I'm going to build this color more and more so we have a really depth on our crease. So I'm taking some concealer and going to carve out this cut crease look. So I'm taking this color, it's a white bone color, so I'm going to set my lid with it and going to take this NYX Cosmetics Vivid liner in Vivid Fire and going to draw a winged liner with this NYX liner. So I'm taking this Becca Shimmering Perfecting Velvet Primer and going to prime my face with this primer. And going to take this LA Girl Pro Coverage Orange Corrector and going to correct underneath my eyes and my mouth area and going to blend it out using a concealer buffing brush. So I'm taking this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation and going to apply this on my face. As you can see, I am almost running out of this foundation, so I had to apply it with the pump. So yeah, I'm taking this Real Technique sponge and going to blend out the foundation. So I'm taking this Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and going to conceal my under eyes, the highest points of my face, and going to blend it out using this concealer brush. It's E19 from Morphe. So I'm taking this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and going to set my under eyes using this sponge and going to contour my face using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. So I'm going to bake underneath my contour so it looks really sharp. And going to take this NYX Cosmetics blush in mauve and going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And going to brush away the baking underneath my contour and my under eyes. And going to take this Vivid highlighter in Radiant Lights from Makeup Revolution and going to apply this on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow and on the forehead a little bit. And going to Tarte's Lash Mascara and going to curl my lashes with this mascara. And going to take this Midnight Lashes from Kiss and going to apply this on my eyes and going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same transition color we used, so burnt orange and Venetian red. And going to take this Milani Make It Last setting spray and going to set all over my face. And going to take this OFRA Cosmetics Duchess liquid lipstick and going to apply this on my lips. And going to take this Colourpop Mug Shot Metallic Liquid Lipstick and going to apply this on my lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on my social medias as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.